Hey there friends, it's Chris from CK Woodworks. I know I haven't posted anything in a very long time. I'm sorry about that. Life has just been life. Normally you find me out in my garage where I'm covered in sawdust and working with table saw and stuff. Today I am indoors. I'm in my studio with my other big passion in life, music, my guitars.
This is Lilith. Yes, that Lilith.
I have a ton of customizations planned. Forgive me, this is the first time I've tried to film in this format, so trying to point to something in the background is really weird for me. But like I said, I have a ton of customizations I want to do to this guitar. Very first thing is engraving the name on the serial plate. And the reason I'm so big on that is I feel like it gives the guitar a certain sense of agency, a soul, a personality even, that tends to lead you to respect the guitar and the guitar's power, if you will. Now, I'll talk about that later in another video. I'm trying to keep this short, right? I didn't want to go all Leroy Jenkins on it, so I tested it on another guitar. This is a Fender Squier Bullet, which is a knockoff of a knockoff. So I took the serial plate and I took my first shot at my engraving. Oh my God, I'm so happy with that. This is what I'm gonna call my maker's mark.
I know this maker's mark. This is Micken's work.
Mark of the Legion. Deserter.
You don't know what this is.
I told you I could do it!
Right? The seal of my shop, that little thing in the middle, that's a kettle hook coming from my family crest, the Kettlers. This top line, in nomine hoc spiritus habitat, probably screwed that up, but in this name the spirit dwells. That's the name of this guitar. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing, marking all my guitars. That's what I'm doing right now in my shop. And one of the reasons I wanted to show you that sometimes we go long times without posting stuff and showing you stuff because it's not ready yet. I can't show you because it's not ready yet. Right? Don't look at that part. It's not ready yet. Don't look at that either. That's not ready yet. You can only look at this little bit right here. So just in an effort to show you, like I said, what I'm working on right now. I don't have anything ready yet, but I crossed a phrase the other day that really hit me. Unfinished is not the same as unworthy. So show me what you guys are working on. I want to see what my creative friends are doing around the world. So yeah, tag me in a video. Love to see it. Get out there, breathe some sawdust. Bye.